And now it's time for today's daily forecast video with EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martrich.
Good Tuesday morning to you. Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for July 24th, 2018. And we're starting off with another day of the same wash, rinse, repeat pattern that we've had for the last couple of days. We're going to have some showers moving through this morning over basically the same areas that have been dealing with the showers for the last couple of days. And when I say showers, I mean heavy rain in some instances. We're going to be dealing with that this morning. Then I think we're going to get a little bit of a break, and we'll have another round come through this afternoon. So they're going to have we'll have the opportunity for some drenching thunderstorms, drenching showers, and that's going to continue through today. I think we have one more day of this yet before we get out of this pattern and this system moves east. The upper level low associated with this is off to the west. We explained this how this is working yesterday. You have an upper level low sitting out here. High pressure, it's off to the east here a little bit off the picture, but there is a high pressure over here. So you have a squeeze play in between where you have this meridional flow in between and a south to north flow. That's getting this the showers and thunderstorms over our region, and we're getting that squeeze play in between. So this is going to continue through Wednesday. I think Wednesday is actually going to be the worst of the 2 days, and today is going to be pretty much a carbon copy of yesterday. Let's go over the NAM high-res future simulated radar. I'm going to start this off at 7 o'clock in the morning. You can see some scattered showers and some embedded heavier rain, and that's going to be just west of Lehigh Valley, just west of Philadelphia, out here just east of the mountains in central Pennsylvania. And as we move forward in time from 7 a.m. and move this hourly ahead, you can see that concentration of showers are going to continue to move off to the northwest. Everything's kind of going southwest or southeast to northwest, as it has been for the last couple of days. This has been the flow for everything coming in. So if you look in the radar and you see these storms coming in, you're seeing it coming in from the southeast and heading toward the northwest. That's going to continue today. But we'll get in the afternoon, and during the afternoon hours, it'll start shifting more southerly. Here's a look at noon, and you have some more showers over eastern areas as opposed to western, and that same areas that we're getting in this morning. And there could be some heavy downpours inundated with these as well. So it's going to be one of those deals where you have a mix of sun and clouds in between. So you have some mostly cloudy skies, and then you have some peaks of sun, and then all of a sudden the skies open up, and boom, you get a big deluge of rain, and that's going to continue again like it has for the past couple of days. And then once we get toward the middle of the afternoon, you're going to see another little line of showers and storms that's kind of like facing in this direction. It's going to head off to the north and east and through the region. Once that moves through, I think you're pretty much clear for the rest of the day, and we won't be doing anything beyond that until the overnight hours. So we should be okay. And as far as most of the day is, if you take whatever happened yesterday, if you look at what happened yesterday, it was basically Sunday divided by 2. And then you did the same thing and divided by 2 again today, and that's what you have. So you have still scattered showers and thunderstorms arbitrarily popping up across the region today, and that's going to still be the case with very high precipitable water value amounts will lead to the heavy rain threat today, and that's going to continue right into Wednesday. But Wednesday, we're going to see the end of this cycle we've been in, with this upper level low feature now moving further eastward. And you can see some embedded heavier rain over a more concentrated area. This is not going to be as sporadic on Wednesday. I think you're going to have a little more concentration to the showers and thunderstorms and the heavy rain that results from that. But I do think this goes through Wednesday evening. Here's a look at Wednesday evening. And then overnight into early Thursday morning. After midnight starts to wind down and get out of here. And then Thursday, we're left with partly cloudy skies. And actually a pretty nice warm afternoon where temperatures are going to get up into the mid to upper 80s for highs here on Thursday. And on Friday, pretty much the same thing. We have a cold front off to the west, and here's that cold front. It actually has slowed up a little bit in the latest model guidance. Here's the front, and the showers and thunderstorms associated with it are back here out of our coverage area. Our coverage area doesn't really start till we get to State College. This is really our coverage area right here. So it's really not getting to quite to that range by the time we get to Friday evening. We left an isolated thunderstorm in the forecast just in case. But this is along a cold front moving south and east toward the region. And you see as it moves further east, this is the next frame 6 hours later, and it pretty much falls apart. So an isolated shower or thunderstorm possible. Mainly Friday evening, but it's going to be very warm ahead of that front also. And temperatures are going to get in the upper 80s to near 90 in some spots on Friday before that front comes through. Saturday, we're going to go to partly to mostly sunny skies. And the same thing's going to be holding true for Sunday. Not looking at any precipitation this weekend. This is going to be a dry weekend. So after, you kind of paid your dues a little bit this week with the heavy rain in some spots in some areas, especially out toward Harrisburg, Lebanon County, places like that. Actually, my buddy in Lebanon County, Justin, runs the Lebanon County weather page. They got some 6-7 inch rain amounts out there. Some ridiculous rain amounts out here in those areas. But this is going to continue over the next couple of days, and they might get to the 10-inch mark in some spots for this entire event before it's all said and done. So definitely some much-needed drying out this weekend, and it looks like it's going to be a partly cloudy weekend with temperatures a little bit lower, a little slightly below average, not much, but still above 80 degrees, and lower humidity, which will be a nice change after we've been so muggy this entire week. And then once we get into Monday, we're going to watch another system coming in from the west or southwest that could bring some scattered showers and thunderstorms later in the day. It looks like most of the day on Monday is dry. This comes in later in the afternoon and evening. So you will have at least partly cloudy to start, clouds increase, and rain and thunderstorms come in later in the day. This could be something that hangs around the Monday through Wednesday timeframe of next week, but it's not going to be as potent as what we are getting this week from the current system. So I don't think it's going to be as big of a deal, but we'll continue to monitor it just in case. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for July 24th, 2018. Have a great Tuesday.